Easy to make rice stuffed whole chicken baked with vegetables. Thanks for watching Foodbook, but don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing recipes. Enjoy making this perfectly marinated soft and juicy whole chicken with perfectly fluffy rice. Step 1. Chicken marinade. Olive oil 1/4 cup. Fresh lemon juice 1/2 cup. Freshly chopped garlic 2 tablespoons. Red chili or paprika 1 tablespoon. You can always adjust the spices according to your taste. 1 tablespoon of garam masala or 7 spices. Salt 1/2 tablespoon or as per your taste. In more spices we have coriander powder 1/2 tablespoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, cardamom powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1/2 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Add all the spices and mix until combined. Our marinade is now ready. Whole chicken with skin 1.2 kilograms. It is important to apply a good amount of marinade all over the chicken. For maximum taste, massage the chicken very well from all the sides with the marinade. If you really found this video useful, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. For more taste, marinate the chicken from inside the skin. Also marinate the chicken cavity because we are going to stuff it with the rice. It is important to prick the chicken with a fork or knife so it will cook through. Now cover the marinated chicken and refrigerate it for overnight. Step 2. Flavored rice. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in the pot. All spices 7 to 8 black pepper, 2 to 3 cloves, green cardamom 2, black cardamom 1, 2 inch of cinnamon stick and 1 small bay leaf. Saute all the whole spices for 2 minutes. Now add half tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of 7 spices and half teaspoon of turmeric. Take 1 cup 330 ml of basmati rice must be soaked in water for 30 minutes. Now add 1/2 cup, that is 500 ml of water into the rice. Add half a cube of chicken stock. Let the rice cook on high heat until half done. Now add 1/4 cup of raisins into the rice. This step is optional. Step 3. Stuffing and baking. Place the marinated chicken in a big enough baking tray. Now stuff the chicken cavity with the prepared rice. Do not overstuff the chicken. Now tie the chicken legs with a thread so that chicken can hold a shape. Add the remaining rice in a baking tray in a form of a layer. Let's prepare vegetables for another layer. 2 tomatoes, cut them into slices. Slices should not be too thick or too thin. Add green chilies, cut into slices. Two potatoes, peeled and cut into half centimeter slices. One big sliced onion. Our vegetables are ready now. Now arrange the vegetables over the rice in layers. You can use any vegetables of your choice. If you really found this video useful, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Now pour the remaining marinade over the vegetables and rice. It will give them a really good taste. Our dish is ready to go in the oven. You can also make this recipe on stove, but for that, watch my chicken mandi recipe. The link is given in the description below. Wrap the baking dish with parchment paper and then cover it with aluminum foil. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius and put the dish inside. Bake the chicken for 45 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Must be wrapped in the foil. After 45 minutes, the chicken is half done. Now remove the foil and parchment paper. Now bake it again at 200 degrees Celsius for 45 to 60 minutes, not covered this time. Our chicken is perfectly cooked, nice and golden, with crispy outside and soft and tender inside. Rice are fluffy and extremely tasty. If you really like this recipe, tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching Foodbook. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes like this.